My name is George Barrett with the Cicero Volunteer Fire Department in Cicero, New York, and this is my nomination for Captain James Perrin Jr. for the FDIC International 2015 Scholarship Program. What can I say about Commissioner Perrin is he's not only a fire commissioner but the chairman of the Board of Fire Commissioners. Over the last 2 years he's been instrumental in obtaining the approval and the funding to construct a new firehouse for the Cicero Fire Department. He obtained the land that became available just adjacent to our current firehouse, and in spite of some problems obtaining approval with the town members and the town board, he pushed forward with the project and most recently was able to rally not only the town but public support behind the project. He's been instrumental in the funding for the fire district. He was very aggressive in paying off the apparatus that we purchased. We've got a brand new fleet except for our heavy rescue. All of our current frontline pieces of apparatus are 6 years old or less, and by this time next year they'll all be completely paid for. So he's had an outstanding ability to judge the public's interest with the needs and the interests of the fire department. But he's not only just a fire commissioner, he's also a serving line officer and firefighter. Captain Perrin's also been able to start some programs to help better the public and better our response. He started something called the Duty Officer Program, where we'll take a spare piece of apparatus home and different line officers will rotate evenings to ensure that there's a line officer on every alarm that the fire department responds to not only safeguard the public but also protect the firefighters. He's also consistently in the top 15% of the responders, which in a department that does over 1,000 alarms, it's hard to balance family life with the fire department life, but he's been able to do that very effectively. And he's not afraid to get dirty. He's typically one of the first guys into a response, and he's typically one of the last guys to leave the firehouse as we're cleaning up and getting everything ready. So one more time, this is my 2015 FDIC International video nomination for James Perrin Jr., Captain and Fire Commissioner for the Cicero Volunteer Fire Department.